In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Kogul Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Google. Select all services over here. Scroll down and click on Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!